All right, you guys, so we are jumping right into this video because I'm super excited to show you guys what I came up with. But this is the unit that we are working with today from Nadula. It's their Kinky straight unit. I believe this is in 24 inches, 22 or 24, but you guys know, check the description box. I will put everything that I'm using today, everything about this unit down below for you. So I went on ahead and bleached the knots. You guys, this wig already came with the lace already cut off, so very convenient actually. I feel like I like when they go ahead and cut the lace off for me. You can just pop it on much faster. So I'm just using my regular hairspray combination, blow dryer combination that I always do. You guys know, y'all have seen this 50 million times, and getting this nice and melted. The focus for this video is really this hair in this style that I think is just super cute. I got so many compliments on it, you guys, but it was a process. So I went on ahead, I had air dried this unit because you guys know I love to let my wigs air dry. I just think it just increases the longevity of a unit without, you know, always adding so much heat. And then I'm just blow drying. So you saw me, I sprayed a little bit of water, which is what I needed to kind of, you know, of course, wet the hair a little bit. And then I'm using my Kinky paddle brush, which is amazing. And I didn't work in really big sections. I worked in about medium sections for this, and this is the outcome just on one side. And the left side, our left side, yes, my right in this video, is just a comparison of the hair blow dried and then not blow dried. So the first major key in getting this style and making it look super natural is plucking your life away. You're going to pluck until you cannot pluck anymore. That's basically what I end up doing. Just because this hair is being pulled back in a ponytail, you have to make sure you don't have a really thick hairline. So I just plucked away, you guys. Not too much, don't go too crazy, but you really want to make sure it looks super natural and growing out of your scalp. Key number two, major key number two is this right here, my Silk Elements leave-in heat protectant. It made such a difference with this hair, you guys, and getting it super straight. I typically do not use heat protectant on my wigs. Don't ask me why, I just don't. But the combination of this heat protectant all over, and I saturated the hair really well with it, plus the Kinky paddle brush, because this paddle brush has actual boar bristles in it and it's like a regular paddle brush. Y'all, with my crock flat iron, this whole combination was amazing. I have never ever gotten this hair this straight, like any kinky straight hair. The hair was so beautiful afterwards. You guys will see, I'm gonna show you kind of a up close look of it, but it came out as straight. This is literally as straight as you can get it, and I loved it because it could really be my hair. I do have type 4 hair, 4B, 4C hair. This could literally be my hair, you guys. I was amazed with myself. This hair was beautiful, and I was like, you go girl, because I took some really small parts to flat iron, as you guys can see. It took me a second to flat iron this hair, you guys, and I did go over the roots a couple times because I wasn't able to really use my hot comb. Don't ask me. Oh, y'all, it got melted. Anyways, stuff melted on it. But anyways, I wasn't able to use my hot comb, so I really had to work this flat iron, and it did its job, you guys. It did what it was supposed to do. All right, so here is the hair all nice and flat ironed, you guys. It's so full of a body. It's super straight, super flat. Like I said, go look at my past videos. I don't think I've ever gotten this hair, this texture this straight before, and yeah, I was absolutely loving it. Next, I'm gonna work on the ponytail. So for my ponytail, I'm only using my wax stick. I used a little bit of hairspray like at the end, but I mainly just use my wax stick. And then I'm just gonna pull the top up in a ponytail. This actually took me quite like back and forth to do. I know it seems like it's really quick in this video because you know, I had to cut some scenes, edit it out, but it took me a second to make sure everything was like proportionate for my head and, you know, just kind of looked right. Like the ponytail wasn't too small and all that kind of stuff. So take your time with it, get you an elastic, pull your hair up in a ponytail. And then after it's in a ponytail, I'm just gonna take a section of hair from the back and just wrap it around. Use a little bit of hairspray each wrap. You know, the hairspray keeps the ponytail in place, just so you, not the ponytail, the hair that you're wrapping around the ponytail, it keeps it in place. So just kind of use a combination of wrapping hairspray back and forth, and then we'll move on to laying our edges. So another major key with getting this look right is not doing too much with the baby hair. Now, if this was curly hair and I was doing this style, I would do all kinds of everything. Okay, well, not all kinds of everything, but it would just, you know, it would flow to like add more baby hair with curly hair. I don't know. It's just, that's just the way I think. With straight hair, I do a little less baby hair. With curly hair, I do a little bit more. So I'm only doing 2 little swoops on the sides, and of course laid my sideburns. My sideburns are a little thick in this video, okay, because I couldn't like lift the hair up or something. This style is easy, you guys, and it's really cute, but to, you know, get it to turn out right, you just have to take your time and you have to be a little bit more detailed, and that's basically what I did. I really just took my time and just made sure everything was nice and crisp and sharp, and I did my best with doing that. And unfortunately, these sideburns just didn't cut it for me, but I was like, if I lift one of these hairs, something is gonna fall off, or something just is gonna, it's gonna end up being a disaster. So I left it and hope for the best, and it turned out just fine. So I'm using my Design Essentials foam for my edges as well, and then I'm just gonna lay them down, blow dry them down, and stay tuned. Y'all will see the final look in just a second, and then I'll come back with just a few words and all that good stuff in the end. So don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I'm very happy with the outcome. I don't think I've ever done this style on my channel. I rarely do any kind of like updo ponytails, especially when it comes to a wig, but I think it came out really cute. I feel like this style is very like 2000s. I remember wearing my hair like this a long time ago, but I just wanted to switch it up for you guys and give you guys a very kind of like casual, relaxed, but still cute look for the holidays, just depending on where you're going. I never have this exposed right here because I think it's just a dead giveaway. It's so obvious that you're wearing a wig, but it's okay. We just gonna rock with it, roll with it. I did have to do a lot of plucking, you guys, in the front. I didn't know I was gonna do this style before putting this unit on. I just kind of thought about it when I saw it on Instagram, but I really had to do some plucking because I think that's what makes this style. It's not gonna work if your hairline is super, super thick, so try and pluck as much as you can. This is also the straightest I've ever done kinky hair. I really wanted to get rid of all the kink. Of course, you still want the texture, that's why it's kinky straight, but I wanted to get rid of all the kink, so blow drying it first and adding in this silk element before flat ironing everywhere definitely gave it some weight so that it would be nice and flat. It's super soft, you guys, and I still think it looks really believable. You can even cut it if you wanted to, add some layers if you want to, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed something different from me as well. Let me know what you think. I don't know if my head is proportionate for this type of look, but hey, we switched it up. We tried something new. And you know, with a wig, that's why I love wearing them. If you don't like it, you can always take it off and do something different. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will put all the specifics about this unit because it's a good one, you guys. This unit down below in the description box for you, and anything else that I've used today. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.